How to change hometown on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view all the Facebook posts and stories. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you are here, tap on Edit Public Details as shown. Scroll down to the Details section and tap on Edit beside it. Here, you can edit your profile information. Now, tap on the Edit icon beside Hometown. Over here, you can edit and change your hometown. After changing the hometown, tap on Save below. You can share this update to your news feed if you want. After that, tap on Save again. Go back to your profile to view your new hometown. Following these steps, you can easily change hometown on Facebook.